The most important ads that make you the most money, that give you the highest RPM, are mid-roll ads. Your video needs to be 8 minutes or longer if you want to put mid-roll ads in your videos. And let's say you have 10 videos on your channel and you get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. First of all, that's actually like when you apply for the YouTube Partner Program, that is where you link it to an AdSense account already. So that's a step that you do before it, actually. Once you get accepted and you can enter into the YouTube Partner Program, you can first of all turn on all the ads on all your videos. And what you then have to do is manually, for every single video that you have on your channel, go to the video analytics and revenue section and the earn section, where you can then decide where you want to put the mid-roll ads on your videos. So the best strategy for the highest RPM that I would recommend you do, it's your own choice, of course, but this has been tested by a lot of big YouTube guys too, which gives you the most money and doesn't decrease your RPM or your view duration, I mean, is put your first ad at the start of the video, so 0,000, and then put another mid-roll ad after every 90 seconds, so 90 seconds throughout the whole video, and then save it. And that is how I would put the ads on all your videos. And then for the videos that are coming in the future, also do the same thing. So one mid-roll ad at the start, 0,0, and then after every 1.5 minutes, so 90 seconds, put a new mid-roll ad throughout the end of the video. And this is basically what you have to do after the YouTube Partner Program.